What up, though? Adrian with beingthechange.llc.com, wanting to let you know what's coming soon for Being the Change LLC. So, tax season is approaching. January is coming fast and furiously. So, Unika and I are planning to put together a tax seminar or series. And it could be either like my Alfred Hitchcock one from the Wealth Creation series, where I did it like a short story. It might be live, it might be but it's going to be educational content to be able to help you know the changes in the tax laws before you go into January 2023, as well as just providing information to help you get to the next level. So make sure you subscribe to our blog, beingthechangellc.com, so you don't miss out on that series that will be here in the upcoming month, as well as receiving all information about wealth creation to be able to assist you in investing, in mortgages, in insurance, in getting your life together. Okay, so let us know in the comments in the chat if there's anything that you're looking for, but we're here to serve you. Thank you.